Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting app video. Today we are going to be talking about some of our hottest app builds right now. You may be noticing a slight theme here. A lot of our most popular app builds are these really fun mini worlds. So we have a mini little house, a desert, even a cow pasture, a beach, perfect for summer, and a castle, a waterfall, and then recently added a little plane. And our airplane is our newest added guide to the app. Really easy to build as well, a lot of flat building, so go and check that one out. Today, because it's the middle of the summer, we are gonna be walking through how to build our beach. And this is one of our newest builds as well, as you can see right here. We have a cute little lighthouse and a palm tree, and the teeniest, tiniest, cutest little plus beach chair. Now I'm gonna walk you guys through how we build our plus beach, grain by grain, some would say. So to build our beach that's on our app, we have 4 pieces of red, 6 pieces of white, 4 pieces of our lime green color, 29 pieces of tan, 3 pieces of camel, 5 pieces of turquoise, 20 pieces of basic blue, 1 black piece, 1 neon yellow piece, and last but not least, 6 apple pieces. Our first step here, we are going to be building a layer that goes under the beach to support the top layer. I need 13 tan pieces, and then we need 20, so all of our basic blue pieces we are going to use in step 1. So here's our first step, completely flat, as you can see. And let's go on to step number 2. Now we're gonna start building our lighthouse. We are gonna grab some red and white pieces and 1 neon yellow piece to make our lighthouse. We have the first part of our lighthouse built, and we are gonna go ahead and put it on the back of our beach. Now let's create our other layer for our beach. I'm gonna get the remainder of our tan pieces as well as turquoise pieces. So cool. So it's just gonna slide in just like that. Whoa, look at that. We're gonna do the other part of our lighthouse. And we are going to slide that into our beach here. Whoa, almost done here. We're gonna add our palm tree, because a beach is not complete without a palm tree. At least not a plus beach. Here we go. Alrighty, we are almost done with our beach. We just need to add some leaves to this palm tree and then build our cute little chair. And then last step, super complicated guys. We're gonna put 2 white pieces together and just bend the top one like that. How cute. We have our little plus beach. Thank you guys for following along our fun little beach build. Happy building.